Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your DoorDash not working. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and reopen it, and that might fix a couple of problems. However, if it still doesn't, it might also be an internet issue. So try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to give it that quick reset. You can also try to toggle on and off your airplane mode. Also, always ensure that the VPN is turned off. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if there are any updates available. Simply go ahead and open your app store and then simply go ahead and search for DoorDash, just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the DoorDash application, and if there are any updates available, there's going to be an update button right over here where the open button is at. If that also doesn't work, then you might just want to restart your device or uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.